pretty sure there's an armadillo over in this field over here. So I'm gonna try to sneak up on it. Do you see it up there? See him? Right there. Oh yeah. Can you zoom in more? Are armadillos chill? Dude, this guy don't give a fuck. What's up, buddy? Do they bite? This is the chillest thing I've ever experienced. Can I touch you, you little dirt nose? Come here, dude. Come here, little guy. Oh my God. What's up, buddy? Oh, come here, come here, come here. Dude, is this like normal? Is that how they always are? I didn't know that it would let me get that close. I was ready to run. So that's kind of cool. They're not as ugly when they're not smashed to bits on the road.